How to create price alert in Thinkorswim. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are using Thinkorswim and want to create a price alert for a stock, first of all, open Thinkorswim application on your device and log into your account or guest pass. Once you're signed into the home page or the overview page of Thinkorswim, go ahead and tap on one of the symbols or stocks to open up the chart page. After opening up this stock you want to monitor, go ahead and tap on the bell icon at the top right. Now on the next page, you'll see this alert editor page. Go ahead and tap on the alert option and choose the price type you want to monitor. If you see the last option, it means it uses the most recent traded price. Similarly, for bid, it uses the current bid price. For asks, uses the current ask price, and so on. Select one of the type and then click on Trigger. Choose the trigger condition such as when the selected price moves above or below a certain level. Once you are done, move to Threshold. Enter your desired threshold in the text box. Finally, click on Create Alert. Soon after you do that, your alert is now active. Thinkorswim can notify you when the selected price condition is reached. And that's it. You've successfully created a price alert in Thinkorswim. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.